When people remember you, do you wish to remember as an eminent surgeon, best teacher, or an empathetic healer?
I would like to be remembered as a teacher. And that goes a long way. So I like it today when I go to conferences and young doctors meet me and they read my book, and I like it very well. So of course there are patients who say, "Doctor, you did surgery on me, I'm fine." That's not that much of a pleasure, but when you have contributed something very definite to the society, a book, for example, is the read and they acknowledge that we became doctor after reading your book, and that will go on, like posterity. When I'm not there tomorrow, there'll be no patients looking for me, but there'll be doctors reading my book. So I think that's a very, very great feeling that you have contributed something permanent to society, which will be very useful for eternity, even when I'm not there.